Another day, another adventure with your homeboy Jermaine, and getting this vlog started off. So I remember a couple years ago they were building this thing, the SalesForce transit tower, right here. It's kind of hard to see from this angle, but if we look down here, this stretches like 3 or 4 blocks, and it's a bus terminal, and there is a huge park on the top floor. That's the main event. That's why I'm here. I want to see this huge outdoor park, and this is my first time here, and I can't wait to explore this place. This should be really cool. So let's go walk around, and let's go up to the roof, and let's go check out the new SalesForce Transit Center. Yeah, let's get this video started. Okay, so this inn is down by, I think this is Bill Street, this area here. And let's do a little walkthrough. Let's go on a little adventure. Let's go walking around. Let's go on a little tour here. All right, here's the escalators, and wow, this one is out of service. So it's time to walk up the escalators. Seems like escalators are always broken down, man. It's just hit or miss. I don't know why that is. Like, why do escalators break down so much? They're always broken down. Wow, if you look up above here, there's a lot of there's palm trees. This looks like some vacant real estate here. This could be like one large shop, something like that. It's a pretty long way up. I think I'm going up to the 3rd level, but I need to go to the roof level, which is the 4th level. Wow, it's like buses up here. How weird. Okay, let's figure out how to get to the top. This is like brand new. Look at it. I want to watch this video in 5 years from now. Wow. Okay, let's keep going up somehow. Maybe this way? This is super high tech. Look, it's got the fairs. Or where it's going. This is a Treasure Island one. But check this out. This is the top level here. Look at that building over there. That looks really cool, actually. It almost feels like we're just walking on the ground. Like, look at all the trees there. I mean, obviously these are just planted, but it just feels like we're literally in a park. Dang, look at that building. And of course, over here, we have the SalesForce Tower. And we have the Millennium Tower, the one that's, unfortunately, this building's leaning. It's super busy. There's a Dreamforce conference going on, so there's a lot of people in the city, and there's a lot of people that are walking around checking out this beautiful park. Probably not the best day to show you guys the park, but hey, I'm still doing it. I'm still here. Let's keep walking. That's some bamboo here. It kind of reminds me of a zoo or Southeast Asia. It kind of doesn't remind me of SF at all. I don't really see bamboo here. What is that round thing over there? Huh, what is this? Just like a big dome here? Oh, I see. There's like some sort of, I don't know what you call it. There's something on the screen down there. I don't know if the camera can pick it up. Wow, look at the inside of that. That is gorgeous. It's that dome thing. Look at this little forest. This is so beautiful. Look at that large building, man. I love that building. It's so beautiful. So West Coast. Wow, so over here, this is this new bridge that they built to connect the buses to that other bridge, and also to connect the buses to this terminal that we're at underneath. I love how the buildings just pop up on the side there. It's like we're just in the middle of buildings. Should build more stuff like this in SF, yo. I imagine that area is gonna look incredible once all of the vines are grown up on the wall there. But like I said, all this is brand new. This park even comes with a stage. This park definitely has the works. What building is that one right over there? You wonder why you don't see any traffic on that bridge. It's only for buses. Look at that, all of that just for buses. Like all of that just for buses. I wonder how much that little bridge costs. Not cheap. Okay, back down here on the bus terminal level. And one thing I think that's very interesting, look at this, check this out. This is a little box so people can line up in line. And people here need help lining up in line to get on a bus. Like, I travel all the time. I go to bus stations, train stations all over the world, and I've never seen this anywhere else in the world where people need to line up to get on a bus. When the bus arrives, you guys can't just like get in a single file line and get on the bus. No, not here in the Bay Area. They need extra help. Let's keep cruising. Check out this open indoor area. Look at the artwork on the floor there. What a beautiful, beautiful building. For a minute, straight ahead, I thought those were Amazon lockers, but those are not. They just have that same color. Wow, it's so beautiful. This reminds me of some train station or some bus station in Europe that I've been to earlier this year. Okay, back down to the first level here. I'm really curious what this place is like on the weekend, because during the week it's full of, 9 to 5 type people, but during the weekend, those people don't come to the city. What is this park area like? Maybe there's some sort of event or stuff like that going on. Look at this. Is this like a sky lift there? You can ride from there to there. Such a short ride.